Did you know that more than half of the cars in Castle Rock that are broken into are left unlocked? Yet, in only a couple of seconds, most of these thefts could have been prevented. Hey, let's play a game of Would You Rather? Would you rather take a couple of seconds to lock your car or spend your time filling out a police report?
So what exactly was taken from the vehicle?
Would you rather lock your car or spend hours canceling your credit cards?
No, I did not buy that. That was not me.
Would you rather take 2 seconds locking your car or spend hours in line trying to get a new driver's license? Well, I think I've made my point. We need your help. Take a couple of seconds and lock it up, Castle Rock.